I'm Isabel Ollie Prats.
And I am John Prats. So it's our second year here sa Shinagata. Well, kami kasi sobrang, na-shock kami na 1 year, na exactly 1 year pala yun. Parang, ang bilis lang, felt like parang 6 months pa lang yung last check-up namin. And we love the experience because we didn't feel na parang nasa hospital mo.
It's not...
parang nasa 5-star hotel ka.
Hotel, yes.
Diba? Na parang relax ka, nawawala yung... Hindi siya stiff. And the people and yung mga nurses, sobrang iba yung approach, very pleasant. So hindi ka kakabahan, parang excited ka pumunta ng ganitong klase.
Yeah, definitely because after that first check-up sa amin, may mga findings, ganyan na...
Umiwas na kami sa mga...
dami namin iniwasan ng mga food, especially yung mga... Siyempre, yung sugar talaga mahirap. Kasi I'm really, I love cakes, I love chocolates, I love sweets. Siya naman, buti naman hindi. Pero siya naman sa, like, meat, beef, mga gano'n. So yun, medyo nagbawas talaga kami. And then, exercise. Hindi naman dinagdag talaga lang, religiously talaga. Kasi dati parang, not that, parang maisipan, parang gano'n singit. Ito talaga,
it's part of your
ginawa naming lifestyle na talaga.
When we were growing up, yung parents namin kasi gano'n. Diba? Like, pag matandaan at saka na nagpapacheck up.
40 na talaga eh.
Pero now, honestly, like, we have friends, our batchmates, or younger than us, or kahit sa years, may makita ka na biglang na heart attack. Magbiglang nagkaroon ng ganito, or ganito. And, nakakabahala because they're younger than us. So, hindi basihan na dati kasi mentality natin like when you're old like 40 plus, 50s, mga ganyan, doon lang nagkakaroon ng heart attack, doon lang nagkakaroon ng sakit, or ano-ano na. But now, hindi. Like as early as 15, 20s, meron na eh. So, itong check-up naman kasi, it's like, it's a preventive, di ba? You prevent it from, at least, like, and then awareness din for yourself.
And I'm really glad that Shinagawa has a facility like this. Kasi, you know, preventive measure, diba, is always the best.
So, yun, again, we would like to thank
Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care
for always welcoming us and for giving us the best experience.